That is so weird. I don't know what that is. Want to hear something very strange? I go into these begonias to clean them out, and I found potatoes. One big one on this side, and here's another one down in here. Never had that happen before. Wow, another one. I think they're potatoes. Let's dig over here. Very strange. Funny surprise though. Nope, don't see any more. Huh. Oh, here's another one. Very odd, but a nice surprise.